Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to charge your ultrasonic wristband. Whether you're a new user or just want to make sure your device stays powered, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, your ultrasonic wristband charges via a USB port, usually located on the side or underside of the device. It's designed for easy access, but some models hide the port under a small rubber flap. Don't worry, it's just to keep it safe from dust and water. Next, you'll need the correct USB cable. Ideally, use the one that came in the box with your wristband. If it's missing, check the manual or the manufacturer's website for a compatible replacement. Using the wrong cable could slow down charging or even damage your device. Now, locate the charging port. For some bands, it might be hidden under a tiny rubber cover. Gently lift or slide the flap. Don't force it. You'll see the micro USB or USB-C port, depending on your model. Once you've found the port, plug in your USB cable securely. You can connect it to a wall adapter or a computer USB port. Charging usually takes around 5 hours, and after a full charge, your wristband can run up to a week depending on usage. Many models also have a battery level indicator, so you'll know exactly when it's ready to go. And that's it. Charging your ultrasonic wristband is that simple. Keep your device powered and it'll stay reliable all week long. If you've found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.